I tried desoldering some components from a PCB board that is made of aluminum, and it didn't work out well. The aluminum will always act as a heatsink and protect the components from overheating. And that's the reason why I'm unable to desolder even one component. And also, when I'm salvaging components from a PCB board, it's always not that easy. It takes a lot of time, and sometimes I might even damage the components. So guys, a way to fix this is to purchase a desoldering bed from an online store. And also, the delivery can take some time. And another problem is I am living in a remote area and I have no access to any electronic shops. So how do I fix this problem? But is it a problem or an opportunity? An opportunity to use my hot plate. Oh yeah, I'm talking about the ones that people normally use to cook food. And so guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a way to solder or desolder components from a PCB board by using a hot plate. So guys, seriously, I advise that you watch this video to the end, or except you want to damage your PCB. So guys, for this project, I use an old hot plate. And yes, you can also call it an electric stove. And it would be best if you use a hot plate that has a regulator. So this very one here has no regulator, so I'm going to show you a way to control the temperature. So guys, the safest temperature to work with to avoid burning your PCB is 150 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius. As you can see, because my electric stove has no regulator, all I have to do is turn it off with the wall socket switch. And when it's hot enough, I turn the switch and let it cool for about maybe 10 seconds, and then I place my PCB on the stove. And so guys, it would be better if you have a device to measure the temperature so that you can let it sit at 180 degrees or 150 degrees. This is done to avoid damaging your PCB, or except your salvaging components. And as you can see here guys, the desoldering is done easily. Now I can take out these components with ease and also without damaging them. And so guys, how about a PCB board that is made of fiberglass? Let's try that out and see what happens. It turns out that the electric stoves works pretty good at desoldering. And the board is seriously hot, but not hot enough to damage the PCB. And so guys, as you can see how easy it is to desolder by using a hot plate or stove. So this right here are the components I took out from the PCB. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.